Alright, today I'm gonna teach you guys how can you fold a little cube bird. And at first you need a square shaped paper, and now I assume you all guys got one. And first you fold the side like this to get a triangle, and then you fold two wings inside like this. See? Fold both sides inside, and now you got a diamond shape. Oh, sorry, it's also a square. And then you need to do this step. It's a little bit hard. You open one side and fold the paper in, so to get a triangle. So it should be looks like this. See? It should be looks like this. And you fold both sides inside, and fold both sides inside, and also the reverse side. It's not that easy to get it. And you fold it in and put it down. And now you can fold a little swing in. And also in this step you need to fold both sides in. And then put the wings, the uppers down, and put it down. You fold it, and now you can get here's the two wings for the bird, and then here comes the little cute head for the bird. Bing! Look, little cute head. And a really long and cool tail. It should be looks like this. Ah! And here we got the head is a little small, but it's okay. And bingo, finally we got our little cute bird. And here's the tutorial for this. Thank you guys. Thank you.